Joseph from Self Devotionals, and this is our Resurrection Sunday devotional. Most people treat Resurrection Sunday like a quiet morning in a garden. They see the Lamb of God and think of peace, silence, and soft colors. But the Bible describes a different scene. It describes a hostile takeover. When we call this day Easter, a name once tied to an ancient goddess, some people get nervous. Even me. They think we might be accidentally being pagan. But we might be overthinking the point. We didn't keep the name to honor a goddess, we kept it as spoils of war. Look at the scoreboard. In Colossians 2:15, he disarmed the spiritual rulers and authorities. He shamed them publicly by his victory over them in the cross. In a Roman world, a public shame meant a triumph parade. The winning general will march kings that were defeated through through the streets in chains and rags, while the citizens cheered. This is what Jesus did to death. He just didn't survive the grave. He turned it into a trophy room. He took the keys of death and Hades, as stated in Revelation 1:18, and walked out. If the earth is the Lord's and everything in it, as said in Psalms 24:1, then that includes the names of the months, the dates on the calendar, and the traditions of the seasons. We didn't fall into paganism, we annexed it and subdued it. Resurrection Sunday is that ultimate I told you so. Christ resurrected. It is the moment of that the powers of darkness realize that they have lost everything. When we celebrate today, we are dancing on the grave of the enemies that tried to hold us down. When you see a pagan symbol or hear an old pagan name for this holiday, don't be offended. Flex, show muscles, remind ourselves. Our king took this. This name is a slave now. This date is a war trophy. This season belongs to the Son of God. We should thank the Lord that He is the King of Kings. He gave us a win. Help us to walk with the confidence of a conqueror today. We don't fear the names of the past because we know the name that is above every name. Today, let's just not observe the holiday. We should own it. We serve the God who turns his enemies into footstools and war trophies. Just a thought. This is Joseph from Self Devotionals, and have a wonderful day.